Hey everybody, this is Z with the Z Team. If this is your first time here on our channel, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe down below. Welcome to Foodie Fridays. Today we got a special guest on our show. So excited, as you can see in my voice and in my body language. Let's get started. Let's introduce the Trendy Chef.
So my name is the Trendy Chef. Some of you guys may know me from Supermarket Stakeout with Bobby Flay, Alex Quinticelli, or even that crazy chef that deep fried water. Yes, you heard it right. Deep fried water from a water bottle, viral overnight, millions of views. So I'm sure you guys seen this silly face somewhere. I'm excited to get started today. We got a lot of amazing stuff.
Well, thank you for being here with us. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, we got some things. And it's actually, the thing that I'm gonna cook today is my first time doing it. It's gonna be my first time doing it. Never done it before. Doing it right here with you guys. It's gonna be exciting.
Well, let's take it. All yours, floor is yours. Let's go. All right, guys, on to the next one. Let's see what the chef has prepared for us.
Now we're gonna do deep fried crab. I'm sure you guys seen this all over the internet. Usually we do king crab. Not sure if they're out of season, but neither of them, we could not find king crab. Everywhere, I went to like 6 stores. So we're gonna do a bunch of snow crabs. Snow crabs are a little pain because it's a lot more work with a less amount of meat. So, but we're gonna make it work and we're gonna try some deep. Have you ever had it?
I've never had it. I'm excited.
First thing we're gonna do, grab some bouillon. We're gonna season the water. Season, you want your crab to have a lot of seasoning. You want that flavor in it. And that way, less flavor on the batter.
How many dabs?
I would do like 10.
Okay. So,
throw the onion right in there. I just know to use a light beer. I know nothing about, well, now I do because of cooking, but you just want a light beer, whether it's Coors Light, Bud Light. I got Bud Light today. Okay. Because if the beer is not light and it's a darker beer, your food's gonna look burnt. It's gonna look, because you're battering it, you're cooking it. Straight in there. Make sure those things are swimming. And now, that's up all the way. You cover it with the top, and it's gonna steam. And then the ones that are not on, that are on top, that's kind of out of the liquid, we're gonna flip those. Beer batter right here. Literally, it's just flour. You do a cup, 2 cups. I am not measuring. I don't measure my batters because you're always gonna add more liquid or less liquid to see if you want it thicker, thinner. It's going there.
No, we just keep talking.
About maybe a tablespoon. Garlic salt. Everybody knows me, Trendy Chef seasoning. The beer is gonna cook out. Of course, you won't taste the beer at all. While mixing. And that's your beer batter, easy. You can see it's seasoned, it's good to go. Sriracha aioli, sounds fancy. Everybody wanna know how you make your aiolis. These 2 ingredients, mayo, sriracha, a little bit of lemon, that's it. That flavor, now the flavor is inside, soaked inside of there. But you can grab some, I'll get another pan for this side. You have a wet hand, dry hand, you already know that, I think. He's like, yeah. So wet hand, dry hand, boom, you switch hands. So this one can stay dry. And that's what the flour's for. It forms it together, keeps it in its place. So this is going in. I'm all about color. So that is deep fried snow crab. It's delicious, but it's a lot of work. Definitely recommend again, king crab. You get the huge, all the meat at once, boom, 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 but we formed it together. We got it going, it's smelling good. You already know me, I gotta Instagram everything and make sure I get.
All right, well, what do we say? Let's dig in. Well, guys, you're missing out on some great food. I want to thank you for tuning into our channel. Stay tuned for our next series. And let's give a great welcome for the Trendy Chef. Thank you.
This is hot. Love you guys.